So you want to create a slime but you are stuck on how to start. In this video we will explore a quick guide on the basics of making a slime. Let's go. Slimes can vary greatly depending on how you want the style and shape of your slime. Some of them include wide, tall, and small slimes. We will focus on creating the slime with the wide shape. Firstly, we start by creating the base shape of the slime. This part should be the simplest to do. Then, we are going to determine the light source, which is where the light will be hitting your slime from. After that, we create a shape to indicate the light hitting the slime on the direction the light is coming from with the lighter color. You can have your own way with this as long as you keep the majority of the highlight in the area of which the light is coming from. Make sure to also add a hint of light on the opposite side of where the light comes from, since the slime is not made of fully solid material and light goes through it. Now add an even lighter color to make the slime look less boring while also maintaining that jelly looking feel to it. You can repeat this process in a multitude of slimes with all sorts of colors and variations. It will mostly turn out well as long as you maintain the basic steps which were given. Know that there are no specific strict rules on how to create slime. This is simply my way of doing it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more upcoming videos about pixel art. Let's meet in the next video.